I just wanted to experience what it was like to work in a bit more of a rural town, and it's been really interesting so far. My name's Camille and I'm from England. I decided to do my medical elective here in Guatemala because I really wanted to experience a different healthcare system, witness some of the different health programs that are occurring here and some of the main health crises. And yeah, I just wanted to experience what it was like to work in a bit more of a rural town, and it's been really interesting so far. Currently, I've been assisting the doctor with seeing patients. I'll be taking some vital signs sometimes. I'll help him do minor surgeries and put in stitches, take out stitches, and just talk to patients as well. I really wanted to go to a Spanish-speaking country and improve my Spanish, which I really think has been helping so much being here. Just having to talk in Spanish pretty much 24/7 has been really good. My teacher's really nice, and I opted for more of just a conversational lesson just to improve my fluidity of speech. And so we just chat for an hour about anything, all in Spanish, and it's just a really nice time that I can practice speaking without feeling embarrassed or nervous or anything. So yeah, I really think it's helpful. Just walking around Antigua. Antigua is so beautiful. There are so many shops and cafes to explore and so many beautiful gardens. And yeah, I've met some really nice people as well. So I think all of those would be highlight. Everyone's really nice and really helpful. Any worries or doubts you have about anything, people are so quick to help you out and get things sorted. So yeah, I definitely would. Their base is really nice. They've got really nice buildings. Yeah, definitely.